This is a continuation of the dilation notes page. We're looking at example 5. Quadrilateral ABCD prime is a dilation of quadrilateral ABCD. Find the scale factor. Classify the dilation as an enlargement or a reduction. So here we want to identify the pre-image and the image. So we have the pre-image, and then the smaller one is the image. And we know that because of these little marks on the A, B, C, and D, the prime marking. So that signifies that it's the new, it's the image, and the A, B, C, D is the old or the pre-image, the original. To find the scale factor, you actually only have to choose one point. So I'm going to choose A prime and A. So A prime is 2, 0, A is 6, 0. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write our formula, new divided by old. And the reason why I wrote the prime above is because that's the new. And then the old number is 6. You cannot use zeros. So if there's zeros in the problem, don't use that piece. 2 divided by 6 reduces to 1/3. So the scale factor here is 1/3. You will get the same answer no matter what 2 points you choose. For example, let's say that I chose B. So B prime is 0, 2, and B is 0, 6. I'm going to choose the y values. The new y value is 2, the old y value is 6, and again, that reduces to 1/3. And the larger quadrilateral is the pre-image. The smaller quadrilateral is the image, so it became smaller, and that would make sense that our scale factor would be less than 1 since it was reduced, so it was a reduction. Let's go on to example 6. Triangle XYZ is graphed below. Draw and label triangle XYZ prime after a dilation using the scale factor of 2. So this is going to be an enlargement. When you are dilating something, you need to write down every point. So X, Y, and Z. So X is -1, -1. Y is -1, +2. And Z is 1, 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything by 2. So we get -2, -2. We get -2, +4, and 2, 2. So every x value I multiplied by 2, every y value I multiplied by 2 to come up with the coordinates for the image. Then we graph it. -2, -2 is x prime. -2, +4 is y prime, and z prime is 2, 2. And a way to check your work is to just take a look at your image and see if it looks like it's the same shape as the original, and it should be, of course, a different size. What will the coordinates be of point y double prime after reflection of polygon xyz prime over the x-axis? So I'm going to highlight what I'm flipping it over. My line of reflection is the x-axis. And then I really only have to reflect y double prime because that's all I was asked about. So y is 1, 2, 3, 4 from the x-axis. So if it's 4 above, I need to go 4 below. 1, 2, 3, 4. So y double prime is at -2, -4. So -2, -4. And that's the end of the dilation notes.